I just got my Tuff Shed in one day. So it's kind of a no-brainer for me. There's no way I would build the shed myself. I just feel like it would be a ton of work. I wouldn't be able to enjoy it for months.
Here's the keys to your brand new shed.
Thank you so much.
I decided to start a social media account and I just started sharing all my projects. One of my first projects was a bathroom vanity. I'm Nicole Pankopp and my Instagram is Simply Aligned Home.
So our kitchen before had 2 walls. It was on the other side of the island and it ended right here and it was just this little section. We had a formal dining room and then we had a living room back here that was walled off a little bit from the kitchen. I love the idea of open concept. The kitchen was my first renovation in this house. Kitchen's just so much more functional for us and our family.
My projects have become much larger and my following has become larger as well. It's been fun to see it all grow as I go.
My Tuff Shed is definitely going to be a game changer. I've been working out of my garage. It's a mess right now. I've got tools and boxes everywhere. Such a mess. Before I was dodging the weather, I was trying to find little spots of shade to work in. I spent entirely too much time setting up and tearing down every day, pulling out all my saws. They're so heavy and having to move them in and out every day is exhausting. Now I have a building and I will no longer have to worry about chasing the shade or hiding from the rain. We are actually getting our garage back and my husband is super excited about that because he has a car that he would like to park in the garage. There were so many different options for customization with this Tuff Shed. I was actually really impressed seeing the options for colors and doors and windows. One of the requirements for me was lots of natural light. I do filming while I work and I just needed as much sunlight as I could. And one of the Tuff Shed representatives actually recommended the clerestory, and as soon as I saw it, I knew I had to have it. One of the main features that I wanted with this Tuff Shed was the roll-up door and the ramps. I like to be able to work out in the sun when it is nice out, so I wanted to have a work table that I could roll in and out easily from the Tuff Shed. I feel like the possibilities are endless with the Tuff Shed. There was a lot of prep that went into getting ready for this Tuff Shed. We initially were thinking about putting the shed on top of our concrete pad that we already have, but we didn't want to take away from any entertaining space that we already have. I was very nervous about our site prep and if we did a nice job or not, but I'm glad that we did all that hard work to begin with. Seeing them install it and get it in place, I am so happy with everything. I was actually really impressed with the install. They came on a trailer with a package. I mean, it's one complete package. They had the walls already constructed and painted. They did a little touch-up painting here and there, but they brought it in and assembled it really quickly. I love my new Tuff Shed. For me to be able to have a workshop where all my tools are set up and ready to go is going to save me so much time every day. I cannot wait for the day where I can just walk away from my work and not have to clean up the mess. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of sheds in the neighborhood and I think they're all going to be pretty jealous of this one.